Summary. Let us summarize what we have learnt. The word spatial has been originated from space. It is the data or information that identifies the geographic location of features and boundaries on Earth, such as natural or constructed features, oceans, and more. Spatial data is usually stored as coordinates and topology. The spatial information technology uses technological inputs in retrieving, collecting, displaying, storing, managing, analyzing, and manipulating the spatial information. Geographical information system is defined as a system for capturing, storing, checking, integrating, manipulating, analyzing, and displaying data which are spatially referenced to the Earth. The representation of a graphic feature as a pattern of grids of squares is known as raster data format. The representation of the object as a set of lines drawn between specific points is known as vector data format. A vector data model uses points stored by their Earth's real coordinates. A scanner is an electronic device which can capture images from physical items and convert them into digital formats, which in turn can be stored in a computer and viewed or modified using software applications. In order to ensure accuracy of data, we need to verify the spatial data captured into a GIS for the error identification and corrections. The errors caused during digitization may include data omissions and under- or overshoots. Spatial analysis is a type of geographical analysis which seeks to explain patterns of human behavior and its spatial expression in terms of mathematics and geometry, that is, locational analysis. The strength of the GIS lies in its analytical capabilities.